Welcome. If you want to use split screen in your Realme X50 Pro, for the first you have to open the application that you want to use. So in my case I will go for the Google Chrome and also for the Play Store, and then just tap right here, click on these two icons, two dots, and select the split screen. And right now we can select the second application from the background when we click right here, but we can go back when you click on the outside, the background applications, and we can pick up also the other apps, maybe the YouTube. And right now we are able to adjust the size of the application with this switcher, and if you want to close it, you can just swipe like that. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.